gosh, you guys, you can see how cold it is today. This is ridiculous. I feel so bad. This car is so loud. Oh yeah, dude, we're oversteering a little bit. Just a little bit. I think the grounds haven't warmed up yet today. This guy's gonna go fast enough that I'll be able to get in front of this van and I'll be able to pass him. Unless this van takes off, bro, no! Let me get in front. Dude, my tires are barely holding on. Woo-hoo-hoo. I love that entrance ramp, bro. My gosh, that's nice. And then we're back to traffic. That's fine. As long as I was able to hit that, that is pretty good. What is up, guys? I am just getting out of work. I really thought that I would like to take some time and discuss and elaborate and just like look at what you guys are saying to me, because some of you are saying some interesting, nice and not so nice things. So let's take a moment and reflect on what people have left comments on my videos about just after I hit this pole. Get you some light. That's not bad, dude. Not bad. So I was at work and I saw this comment, the WVid comment. Bro, what's your face? I'll throw it up on the screen. I really appreciate what you said. I appreciate your videos that you make, and I understand what you're talking about with like the Subaru being the best car and how you loved that car. You loved that car and you had to give it up because of unfortunate reasons. And I feel like I'm kind of in a similar predicament. Dude, no, I don't want to be behind this guy. Bro, I love this road. I love this road, but he ruined it. I think that he really likes his Subaru and I really like mine. I have to drive mine as a daily because I don't have enough money to buy a daily, and this is the only running car that I've got, so that's why I drive this car as a daily. And that kind of goes right into our next video that I pulled or our next comment that I pulled up, and this is a double. This guy hit me with the double. He said the white wheels look terrible. Thanks, bro. What color is your Bugatti? And then he said, also, why the F are you dailying a car without an airbag? Bro, I can't afford to drive anything else. Next comment comes to us from this guy, and he says, a vape and a rebuilt motor. That's facts, brother. That is absolute facts. I don't vape, but a rebuilt motor, absolutely true. And the stereotype that Subaru drivers vape is actually like 1000% accurate. Dude, whichever way this guy goes, I'm going the opposite because he drives slow as fuck. Next comment, Mr. Beast is a freak. Low-key, Low-key, Mr. Beast is a freak. This guy, just take a moment, I'll put it up on the screen. This guy left a really heartfelt, nice message, and it made me reflect on the fact that I'm getting older, and it also helped me realize that I still am young, because, you know, now that I'm a father and I'm married and I'm 25, almost 26, bro, I'm almost 26. I feel like I achieved unk status, and I don't feel like I'm like as young as I used to be, and it's a weird sort of identity crisis that you might run into at this age. I really don't actually care, but it did make me feel a little bit better about myself that someone thinks that I am part of the younger crowd. This guy, bro, this guy talking about the 05 up dash. I haven't even looked at this, and I don't know what they look like. They probably look a little bit better, I would assume. I'll take a minute to look at what those look like. I'll throw a couple up on the screen. He's talking about how I was pissed about this being white, and it just, like, my whole dash looks disgusting aside from like my wheel, and I like this where this is at, but everything else, I mean, bro, dude. So yeah, I guess I'll take a look. I'll take a look at the 05 dash. Another vaping comment, obviously. Okay, this is interesting. Honestly, go with some chromium black wheels, hyper black, or polished silver. Now, this is something that I am, ever since he said this, I've been thinking about this. I think that it might be a nice look to hit like some just chrome wheels with the chrome taillights, the red, the anti-red taillights, the ones that are just chrome. So hit the silver car with the chrome wheels and the chrome taillights, and then get rid of all the black trim, like make it all paint matched silver. I think that that would be a pretty cool color. And then maybe hit the accent with the yellow. I know that there was, I'll throw up, another guy was talking about doing like a yellow and black and silver. That's a cool vibe. I think that I might try to limit the black as much as possible, because I've got like these mirrors. The mirrors kind of look boof. Okay, bro, for driving a Challenger, you're going slow. You're going slow. We're gonna have to pick up the pace. Somebody said, classy, man. I think it's because I wear work clothes, because I record my videos before, after, and like during my lunch break. This guy said I would get rid of the taillight tint. So yeah, I think that I really do like the look of the chrome. You know what I don't like is the bright red taillights. I hate bright red taillights on any car. Like it's because it's like mandated, state mandated, or whatever, government. It's governmental. They need you to have bright red taillights, and I hate them. I'd rather have them any other color. They just like throw the whole look of the car off, especially if it's not a red car, or like black and red. Like this, I feel like this probably looks good, but I don't like it for this car. You should race my Subi. Yeah, bro, I'll race. I would want to do it probably like not from a dig, because I'm really worried about this car braking. The real answer is hella horns. I think that he's talking about the mods. Okay, bro, I'm gonna just slow down because I don't have anybody really behind me at all. I'm just gonna go nice and slow so that I can hit like a nice little pull later, because dude, I can't just follow behind somebody that close. But yeah, the hella horns, I think that the hella horns is what he was talking about, like what mods are cool about my car. I do really like the hella horns. They don't work because I disconnected them because I'm not a good mechanic. Boring, talk. This one made me laugh so hard, bro, because I do talk a lot. Hold on, I'll show you something. Bro, I'm gonna catch this Challenger in like 2 seconds. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, bro, boring, talk. That's so funny. I actually went and looked at this guy's channel. I don't really like doing that. I don't like looking at people's channels and like making fun of them. But this guy, he's got this whole write-up from COVID about how he's gonna quit his job and go like work in like go on the run and do all these filming adventures and stuff, and he doesn't have any videos. So who's boring now, bro? All you do is talk. All you do is talk, bro. It's getting freaking congested. It's traffic. Traffic. I hate traffic, bro. What else do I got? You should do a green theme. You should do green theme. Yeah. I actually did do this once. I had some green accents. It looks pretty cool. That's crazy. The silver with green does look good. That is a good look, actually. Sweet Subi, bruh. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. This comment was from my buddy Thomas, he lives in Colorado now. Shout out to you, Thomas. You taught me so much about music and snowboarding and all sorts of other endeavors in life. I hope you're doing well. I miss you, brother. Enjoy Colorado. Everybody in Michigan misses you. Yo, I just wanted to take a second to address this comment. It comes from a video where I was testing to see whether or not my car is safe for my child to go in. She's a baby. So it's actually one of my favorite videos I've ever made. It's a very fun video. You can click here to take a look at it. If you guys have made it to this point in the video, I really appreciate you sticking around and watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and comment. I want to hear from you. I want to hear all your great ideas. I appreciate you. I love you. Peace. This is your reminder to let your car cool down when you get home. I don't do it enough. You don't do it enough. Make sure your car cools down.